Hello, everyone. How are you? Welcome to day 4 or 5 of your remote learning class. And so today we're going to do something a little different. I have set up here a lab. It's a very simple lab. It's a lab to kind of introduce you to kind of not introduce you, but to remind you of slope-intercept form. So if you go into the Schoology folder, you'll find the lab. It's a hard copy lab, but you can easily print it out or just have it in front of you. It's going to say slope-intercept form spaghetti lab, okay? So the spaghetti lab is basically to see how strong do the beams in the ceiling have to be. So we're going to create a wall with some beams, but we're going to create the beams with spaghetti. So this is going to be fun. I tried this already. I thought it was pretty interesting because I thought dry spaghetti would break easily, but I guess I was wrong. So here we go. We have 2 stacks of books. It doesn't matter what books. It just has to be two equal heights of books, okay? And then your 2 equal heights of books, you're gonna have at least a cup with the cup having 2 holes and then a string going through the hole, okay? So the string going through the holes is because this is what's gonna hold your pennies, okay? So once you do that, you're gonna have your paper calls for 6 dry strings, but we're for the sake of time and the sake of the lab, because I want you. This is your discovery and your investigation. I have about four dry strings here because I broke like 7 of them because I was having so much fun with this. Um, so the first dry string, I'm going to take it and I'm going to place the first one underneath one of the books, and I'm going to take my cup and kind of like put it through so that it'll hold, and then put it underneath. And it has to be even because everything you do has to be even. Okay. Now, once you do that, you should have some pennies. It don't have to be a magical number of pennies. Like, don't go looking for 1,000 pennies because I don't think you need 1,000 pennies. I'm looking for my pennies, but I forgot I put them in my hoodie. So here goes my pennies right here. Okay. So we're going to see how many pennies we can put in the cup until this one string of spaghetti breaks. Here we go. And you can have your little sister, your little brother do this. You can constantly continue to add the pennies and level them out so it's not hanging on one side. You can honestly just continue to add as many pennies as you can. But like I said, level it out so it's not hanging on one side or hanging off of one side. Okay? Just continuously add as many pennies as you can until the spaghetti strand breaks. Up, it broke right there. So once it breaks, it broke right in the middle, so that's good. So now count how many pennies did you add? How many pennies did you have in the cup before it broke? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 pennies until the spaghetti strand broke. 27 pennies before the spaghetti strand broke, okay? So you would write 27 on the paper where you would... Ma, yo ka wana video where you would be able to, before the spaghetti strand broke, okay? Now, you would take the spaghetti strand and move it away. Now take 2. Now you would have to rebuild your bean. Okay. And put your cup back in the middle once again. Okay. Now you have 2 dry spaghetti strands. Now you can predict, 54. We don't know, but we're just going to add pennies in there. Once again, just make sure it's leveled out and just add your pennies. If my Michael wasn't here, he would probably play Baby Shark for us as we add the pennies. I'm just saying. He had it in the last recording. Had to delete that one. Y'all would sure like that. Once again, have your little brothers and your little sisters help you. They can add the pennies and dump them out and count them. That'll give them good practicing. You can also have, like another person add the pennies while you watch them add the pennies. I mean, it could work several ways. Predict how many pennies you can add into it. You do not have to add a specific brand of noodles. It's not a specific brand of noodle. It's just, I have used Great Value brand noodles. And it broke. So now, let's count how many pennies we put in before it broke. Here we go. 1, 2. Pardon. Let's see how much ginger ale. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So we got 41. So, and if you put 41 down for 2 noodles, you can remove the 2 noodles. And now for the next one, you would have to add 3 noodles. And then after you add the 3 noodles, you go on and keep going. Now, after you complete the table, question 4 asks you to plot the graph and then to continue. Please, once you're done with this, please go ahead, take a picture of it, put it up. I would love to see your work on Schoology. I'm not going to do the lab for you. I've done 2 examples so that you're able to see how it would look after you do 1 or 2 noodles. But I want you to take the opportunity to look at this, okay? And definitely complete this to the best of your ability. And use and have fun with this. Like I said, get your family involved, get your brothers and sisters involved. It's a fun activity. And if my Gabby was asleep, I'm sure she would probably count the new pennies for me. So please, guys, enjoy this lab. Enjoy the spaghetti lab. Do not eat the lab. You do not eat the lab. They're dry noodles. So please stay safe. Wash your hands. It was great having this, doing this recording because it was something different. It was a fun lab. Maybe I could find some more that we could do. And it'll be great to see your answers to these questions, to see what your investigation comes up with. Once again, I look forward to seeing you guys and working with you guys and seeing your progress, and look forward to seeing the completed labs on Schoology. Don't forget to complete the warm up, the closure activity, and the practice. And if you have any questions, join in my Zooms at 10:30, 1:30, and 6:30 every Monday through Friday. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.